Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm gonna catch more Pokemon because I do want to do some more crazy fusions. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. I arrived from... How many repels do I have? That is the question. I might need to buy more repels for an idea that I have. Where are my repels? How many repels do I got? I got 3 supers. Okay, so I just gotta buy more repels then is what I'm seeing. Max repels, buy 40 of them, yep. Okay, cool. Now I can go to the idea that I had. There's a boat over here. Whoa, wait. So I have to beat these Team Rocket guys to defeat that guy, and I'm gonna do that later. I don't want to do that right now. But I do want to go over here. Start using some of my repels. Okay, Route 20. Wait, can I get the Super Rod from somewhere here? Wait, are there no houses here? Okay. Do I have a Super Rod already then? I have a good rod. I don't know where I get the Super Rod from. Fuchsia City is where I got the good rod, right? No? Oh, it's Fuchsia City. I got to Fuchsia City to get the Super Rod, I think. Not you. Is it this house for the Super Rod? No, that's Koga's daughter. Oh, what do you actually tell me? Nah, I actually never talked to you. I'll give you this for helping me. Oh! Huh. I forgot that she gives me that. I could have swore I got strength. I got not strength, but the Super Rod somewhere here. Just crazy. Maybe I am just crazy. Alright, whatever. I don't know where I get the Super Rod. Huh. Wait. Where did I get the Super Rod? It's in Cinnabar Island. But where? Did I just miss the guy that I'm supposed to talk to? Earth Power? Nah. Damn, I'm actually still salty about that Absol. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, it's here, isn't it? Yep. Super Rod, perfect. Alright. Also, what's in this bowl then? Nothing. Alright, cool. Now that I got the Super Rod, I can do this. Route 20, and I can Super Rod here. Let's see, what do I catch? I'm really hoping for like a Dratini, but I don't think it's in this route. I think it's somewhere else. Super Rod gets me maybe a Staryu. A Krabby, alright, well. One, two, three, Krabby is another water type, which I have way too many of right now. down. Enter the Seafood Islands. What? She literally turned around there. I didn't know. Seabro. Thunderbolt. Alright, cool. Good job, Necro. Okay, Route 19. Super Rod here. I want to get a Star Me if possible. Star U. Krabby. I don't know if it's here or not. Or if it's only Krabby I can fish up. That's Gyarados. Thank God I already had one. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna look this up. Pokemon. I'm in Route 19 right now. I can get Horsies here. Good Rod. Okay, so it's only fishing a Krabby, Psyduck. I can get Psyduck. So okay, I can't get anything good. Well, where can I get a Star U? Oh, Star Me only a nighttime sort of thing? There's no way Star Me is night only, right? What time is it? It's 5 in the morning. I should be able to catch one. Gyarados. I'm in Fuchsia City now. Max Repel. Bro, how is he so fast? Okay, I'm beating you right now. I'm beating you right now. Go. No! Bruh, that's so unfair. Come on. I get him on the turnpike. No! I hit the thing! That's not fair. I hit the ore. Come here. You're losing to me, kid. Yes, I'm ready. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. No! Why does it keep telling me this? It keeps telling me at the worst times. Come on. Come on. He's so much ahead of me. Come on. Come on. No, I hit the thing again. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this stupid repel. This stupid repel is causing me to lose each and every single time. Okay. Yes. Yes, I've come to beat you. Yes, first person go. Come on, I have the lead. Dodge that rock. Go up. Efficiency. Good job. Nice. Alright, I have such a huge lead on him. He's destroyed. Imagine if I didn't have to put on a rappel in the middle of the race. I would have beaten them already. Easy game. Come on, get over here. Yeah, give me my money. You won fair and square. What do I get for this? A surfboard? Oh, I get surf for free then. Okay, perfect. Okay, well, I deserve that. I'm just gonna thunderbolt all your Pokemon, my guy. I hope you know that. Kingdra. Corsola and Starmie. I want a Starmie. I really do. And you go over to Route 19. Okay, this is now Route 20. Luckily, I hit Route 20 before I got a Pokemon on Route 19. So now I can sit here, and I think I might use a Good Rod a little bit to try to get Starmie. Starmie. Magikarp, I already have one. Old boot, don't need. Oh, I don't want to use that. I want to use the Good Rod. Try to get a Starmie if possible. Magikarp. Krabby. Old boot. Pokemon Staryu. Of course, they already have. How do I get a Starmie? I don't understand. Is it just rare? Pearl. Old boot. Horsey. Okay, looks like I might just have to run into a Tentacool here then. Yeah, whatever. I still have a Seafoam Islands encounter. So last thing I actually do get is... Okay, I get Pokemon Mansion Encounter 2. I can get Coughing, and I think I can get Growlithe. And ideally, I want to grab a Growlithe. So I'm gonna turn the EXP share all. Growlithe. That's Eradicate. I already have one of you. Can I avoid this burglar? Vulpix and Coughing. I didn't think I'd run into a fusion Pokemon, but honestly, that's actually a really good fusion. Or at least two really good Pokemon. Vulpix is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna start using my max repels now because I can't even get any more encounters here. And I really hope I'm not forgetting anything because I'm pretty sure that's the only encounters I can get. So I know this place is riddled with like scientists and junk. A moonstone, that's actually really cool. Okay, so I gotta flip the switch and I just solved this stupid puzzle. Ah, I was really hoping to avoid him. Alright, come on. Hydro Pump. Switch out Necro for carry. Poliwhirl. Freezing. Did you just use Destiny Bond? Well, at least I got rid of one of my water Pokemon. What type of wheezing Poliwhirl fusion knows Destiny Bond? Okay, well, it looks like I have to actually sit back and actually grind my Pokemon now, because God, I'm very behind in levels. Not really levels, but levels of my overall team. I'm sorry. Skormory, Aegislash, Tentacruel. I can unfuse these two. Vulpix is good. Tang. Okay, Coughing. I fuse Coughing with my Tangrowth. I have to evolve Coughing first. So I'm gonna fuse these guys for now, and then hopefully when it evolves, it will be tanky. It'll have a custom sprite. For now, it's just gonna sit like this. Levitate, Chlorophyll. Levitate's better. Bashful, Quiet. I'm already slow as heck, so I might as well go for Quiet. Actually, Bashful. Assurance, don't care. Clear Smog. That actually could be useful. Sludge. I don't really want a damaging move. Self-destruct. Why would I want that? Okay, and then Vulpix is actually a really good one. I might fuse it. Vulpix is special though, that's the problem. I don't have any special people. Aegislash is good. Oh, Kingdra and Vulpix maybe. Can I actually evolve you right now? I might be able to just evolve Vulpix. Oh, Firestone. I might have a Firestone. I have no Firestone. Alright, I should go buy Firestone. Send me to the Goldenrod City. You don't have Firestones. Where do I go to buy Firestones? I think it honestly should be Cinnabar Island for me to buy all the stones from. Oh, nope, Celadon. Celadon convenience store. Over here. I go up to the floor where it has the stones labeled out. There it is. Buy a Firestone, thank you. That's all I need. I'm actually like kind of devastating. I like Slowbro a lot, genuinely. I gotta clear out the island area.
What's my level cap? 58.
Oh, I'll just look at it later. Vulpix, item, use, Firestone. Nice. Ninetales hits hard. I'll see who I can fuse him with, though. Fuse... Aegislash, maybe? Nope. Totodile, nope. Tentacruel, nope. Pidgeotto. Oh, Flyer? Fire Flying. Quad Beak to Rock. Actually, I don't know how I feel about that. The only other mons I have are fucking water or flying. This is so bad. This is actually genuinely pretty sad. Fire, water. Tentacruel is a good, like, tank mon. Oh, wait. A good tank one, I just said. What if I just use Tangrowth with Tentacle then? Water Grass is pretty good. Poison Grass. I'll keep Poison Grass for now. And then see what I can do. Hopefully I'll evolve into a cool fusion. Clear Body is amazing. Bashful. Keeps Tangrowths. I don't know what to do. I'll just keep I'll keep Scorbunny in my team for now, and I'm gonna take some time to level up my guys. So I'm gonna end it probably here. And I'm gonna spend some time and level up everyone. Do I have any other places that I can get encounters? No, I don't think so. Well, I could actually go to the side of the island and get Pokemon. But again, that's gonna be after I... Can I get Aerodactyl? Hold up. Okay, I keep telling you, I can't let you pour the sugar. You ain't got a Seagull pass, whatever. Payback to pass, and then he's gonna fight me. Bro, we're not inconvenient. No, let's not waste time. Come on, let's just. Oh! They took it. I wasn't fast enough, and they took the Seagull pass. Let's do now. No, stop! Don't let them go to Mount Ember. No, am I too late? Am I? You see, Mount Ember is a volcano located in several islands. Top from here. It's a protected area where we often go to make wildlife surveys. Also known to be the last known area left in Pokemon called Vultures. Can't believe it's thereafter. Team Rocket goes to the disturb roaches. I don't think what they might do about it. I'll follow a Seagull pass with me. Anyone stop them? Oh, you don't have Pokemon? Yeah, I have Surf. Okay, so I can go there, but I want to check out what this house is. Welcome to Pokemon Psychiatrist. I can change the nature of a Pokemon. I can change the nature of a Pokemon? Okay, I can go over to wherever that's called. Off-road shore. I don't know how long this is, but I do get an encounter here. So can I get a Starmie here? That is the problem. Starmie! Show me a Starmie! Please! Ah, that's an Octillery. I feel like I will kill it if I hit it with something. Don't die. Alright, cool. God, come on, you're so close to just getting caught. Just stay in the ball. Just stay in the ball, Ice Beam. Okay, it crit me. I'll send over to Skarmory. I hit run! Alright, I'm taking time to train up my Pokemon. I don't care. I'm gonna end it here for real. And I'll see you guys later. These guys, maybe a few others will be leveled up. So yeah, see you guys later. Goodbye. Stay hydrated. And I'm getting mad. Bye.